Hey guys, today we're testing this Meguiars Wash Plus. As stated, it's a car shampoo that has the ability of cleaning tough dirt, remove buck and tar, and polish away like scuffs. They're not mentioning if it can remove wax or not. Test 1 on a newly applied wax that also have some oxidation. I think it's degrade about 5-10% of the wax. Most people on YouTube will tell you that this is a pre-wax wash, not a regular car wash. Because as you see, this will kill your wax over a period of time. Also, it has no effect on the oxidation. Oxidation and like scuff have the same toughness, so it's a fair test. Next test, tar removal. Okay, let's give it some elbow grease. Oh well. So it can't be used for regular car washing and also doesn't work as a pre-wax wash. Thanks for watching.